Do you find customers are usually proactive about reaching out to their insurance providers about those things, or do you think
Absolutely not. No.
Okay. I didn't
one
think
wants to
so,
talk to
but
us.
I could have been surprised.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.
What are some of the improvements that somebody might do to their house that they should be aware of affecting their insurance?
I would say that the improvements in the basement, if we had it rated as an unimproved basement where it's just block, and now you've just spent $75,000, $50,000 renovating your basement carpet, and you've put drywall up and drop ceilings and all of those things, the new TV down there, the gaming systems,
right.
that changes a lot, especially with relates to water backup. You got to think about if there's any sort of claims with, and part of your house has been done and the other part hasn't, there's a coverage called ordinance and law that if you haven't upgraded your electrical system and you have a claim, if you don't have the right coverage in your policy, it won't pay for something like that.
Okay.
And so that's something to pay attention to. Service line coverage, cyber coverages have become very big in now people are stealing money. They're finding an opportunity to do that. So it's just the world has changed. So the claims have changed, the world have changed. It's a different time right now.
Do you find customers are usually proactive about reaching out to their insurance providers about those things, or do you think
Absolutely not. No.
Okay. I didn't think so, but I could have been surprised.
We call everyone, email everyone every year. We are trying to talk to people because sometimes they feel okay, so they don't call back, they don't feel comfortable. But we take the approach of we've called you 2 or 3 or 4 years in a row, and this year you do have a question, and so you do return that call. But we want people to know it sounds so silly. We answer our phone.
Right.
With a person every time. We have a person that's a receptionist that answers it, and that seems such a small thing anymore.
Right.
But it's a big deal these days. So we just want people to know that they can get a hold of us, so we can answer those questions and talk about them, because it's a different time.
So obviously everything, costs of just about everything are up.
Yeah.
As you said, lead times are up. I guess how has, from your perspective, how has the insurance industry been handling what's been going on in the economy?
They're increasing your premiums.
Okay, right.
Yeah. They have a very easy way to track the losses. I mean, if there's so many claims, if you have a fire, they pretty much know what it's going to cost because they have all the data for everyone else who's had a house fire within the company. So they know, so they put an amount in that they think your claim will be, and then they calculate based on that. So they know what they're spending and where they want their profitability to be, or lack of profitability, and the reserves that they need to have in case there's big claims.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.